Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Were you wet, Daddy?
No, I'm not the one who's wet.
Happy Saturday everyone. It's currently 2 o'clock ng hapon. And finally, kaninang umaga, natuloy na yung flight ng mama ni Daddy Mike. So, she left around 6? Yeah. Daddy Mike booked the cab for her. Tapos, nag-message siya sa akin just a while ago na nasa Tullamarine Airport na daw siya, which is in Melbourne. And she said to send the regards to Paris and Celine and that tell them that she missed them already. Anyways, that's good that, you know, there was no cancellation anymore and that. Ngayon, it's, ano oras na ba? Yeah, malapit nang mag 2 o'clock. And aalis na sana kami, pero ang ating baby still ay nakatulog nung pinadede ko kasi hindi siya nag-nap earlier today. So, we are going to do our Christmas shopping today. Hindi ko sabihin ng malakas kay sa The Paris. Marunong niya. But we didn't have a chance to do our, yung shop pa more. Kasi nandito yung mama ni Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike was working and that. So, it's going to be like a late, parang Christmas shopping rush. Is that another one? Gusto ni Daddy Mike na pumunta kami ng Westfield Chermside, which is around 25 minutes from here. We've never been there before. So, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi na lang doon. Kasi gusto ko puntahan namin na shopping centers, yung parang familiar na ba sa amin, alam na namin kung saan kami pupunta kasi may naisip na kaming bilhin for the kids. And sabi niya kasi hindi pa kami nakapunta doon and he really wants to go there. And I'm expecting na kasi nga di ba malapit ng Christmas, it's 23rd of December today. So, ang tawag dito, sobrang busy na ng shopping center for sure, Daddy.
Busy.
The shopping center will be full for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chermside.
Yeah. And we're thinking, sabi ko, hindi pwede makita ng mga kids yung anong bibilhin namin. Yung iba, kasi mag-exchange gift naman kami. Ate Paris, dadalhin namin para siya yung makapili ng gift na gusto niyang bilhin para kay Irene, yung kanyang best friend, di ba? And, pero yung regalo namin para sa kanila, na dapat si Santa yung magbigay, ay hindi nila pwedeng makita, hindi nila pwedeng malaman. So, it's going to be tricky. But it will be good. It will be fun. And then, I checked before, if I'm not mistaken, sabi sa Chermside Westfield Shopping Center, they close till midnight tonight. Kasi nga, di ba, yung Christmas rush. Maraming mga late na nag-shopping, ganun. So, hanggang midnight sila tonight. Ito yung aking pa-outfit for today's video. So, ito yung binigay sa akin ng mama ni Daddy Mike for Christmas. This is a Kukai shorts. Yeah. Medyo malaki siya sa akin kasi it's size... Go away, baby.
Size what?
Size 40. I'm normally size 38. So, nilagyan ko siya ng belt para mag-stay up there siya. Yan. Para pang high-waisted. Tapos yung aking neon green, neon yellow.
Yellow. It's yellow. Yellow is Daddy's favorite color. It is.
Shut up, Bob. Since when? I didn't know that. Don't cover the... because they can't see you.
That is a big
What's your outfit, Daddy?
Leopard, black shirt. Yes, my big unit. Look at that. Ow.
Tingnan niyo, oh. Tulog na tulog. Mga bes. Nakabihis na yan siya, pero ayan man, uy. I might just scare her sa sasakyan. Otherwise, hindi kami makakaalis nito anong oras na. Kami ay aalis na. So, as you can see, ang ating baby Celine ay tulog pa rin, guys. Before kami pupunta ng shopping center, guys, ay mag-stop muna ako somewhere kasi may customer ako ng bag. And she asked me last time about this particular bag. Kaya nag-message siya today. Sabi niya, can she pick up today? And I said na may lakad kami, di ba? And then, kasi I think she's going somewhere. Sabi niya, may flight daw siya mamayang 9 o'clock ng gabi. And gustong-gusto niya talaga yung bag. Sabi niya, wala daw siyang access for car today. Kasi nga, babiyahe na siya tonight. So, tinanong ko siya kung ano yung address niya. Kasi, kung doon naman, madadaanan naman namin papunta ng, shopping center, ay i-drop off ko na sa kanya. What are you getting for Irene, Paris?
Should we get the same thing for breakfast then? Because like
We'll see, because you're going to have exchange gift with Irene, and Celine will have exchange gift with Anya.
what will we give the same one?
Pero meron silang, guys, tawag dito, limit. So, you gotta remember, ate, you've got like a $20 limit. Yeah? So you'll get something that's worth $20. Alright, we're finally here, guys. Tingnan niyo sa Tiparas, meron siyang sa likuran.
If Lainey wants to go on,
Hi, Lini! Nagising siya kaya I had to transfer her again. Mas marami silang option dito pag marami kang pera. Otherwise, tingin-tingin lang. Yeah, gonna get something to eat first kasi alam niyo ba guys, ang aking sunnies, hindi ko mahanap yung aking gentle monster na sunnies. So, ito yung binili ko sa Ukay, sa Op Shop. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon. And, sobrang laki niya guys, but whatever.
I want to eat bacon and bread.
Look, what happened to your hair, anak? Put your hair on the side.
Bacon and bread. Bacon. I think is it ham and fried? Is it
Ham-
ham or bacon?
Bacon roll?
No.
So, ayan, gadaming tao guys.
I also see a separation.
Christmas shopping for more. Okay, so we'll find somewhere na kakain muna kami siguro first. Nadia, let's eat first. Let's eat first. So, ang kanilang mga alahas ay 50% off. Jewelry under 3 grand. Whoop! Labay. They're only 9 carats. Mostly sa Australia, 9 carats. So, dito na kami guys sa food court. Umorder lang si Daddy ng we're getting Japanese. The ramen. Hakataya ramen. Say hi to Tita Tito Oyam. Say hi here. Oh, you want cheese? Okay. Well, ask Daddy, okay? Say, Daddy, can we get cheese for Lady? Gonna eat your thighs? Yummy. I love you. Totoo nga guys, ito ay mas malaki, like way more, like bigger than Carindale Shopping Center in Westfield. Kasi ang food court nila dito, I can see there's lots of people, there's more space and more, more food. Sa Carindale, lang siya, tawag dito, limited. Okay, ask Daddy will get one for you, okay? Is that okay? Is it okay? You're out. Yeah. Oh, careful. See? Wow. Dito na guys. Ito yung mga sabaw nilagay sa
I got 3 different ones.
I think like they'll have the same. You reckon?
Two the same.
Are you... No, Bob. You see the color. No, they look the same. You're confused. And you are Daddy. That's Daddy's, yeah. Gingerbread man?
I'm gonna get the cookie.
A cookie? Okay, yours is gingerbread man, baby girl. Lily, can you point yours? Which one? This one? Tingnan niyo guys, kung gano'ng kalaki itong isa. Oh my God.
I want this one.
Like this for the whole family. Okay, 1 gingerbread and 1 cookie. Alright, let's come here. Which one? Oh my god, this is so slow. Tigulang! Tigulang! Nini, girl! Nilalaro ko sila dito guys kasi... Ay! Si Daddy Mike ay pumunta. Naghahanap ng kanilang mga regalo at hindi dapat nila makita. Beep beep! Beep beep! Hala! Did you beep beep lang? Tingnan nyo guys. Maganda to oh. Ito Australian brand. Oroton. But look! It looks vintage. Dali!
Never wear it.
You will never wear it. Sobrang ganda, di ba? Where's their mirror, babe? Let's see if they have mirror. This one is so cute as well. Look at this. This color is everything. Oh my god. Let's have a look in the mirror. Kamate! Look. No! Sobrang ganda. This is my bag for today. But this one is super cute as well. And itong aking kilikili na black. Love! Sabi na Daddy Mike, I know you're not gonna wear it, so... Oh, ganda. Meron pa silang mga extra na mga straps. This way, baba. Ate, this way. Where's Daddy? It's this one. Tani Bianco. Hindi ko masyadong bet. Maganda yung oroton kanina. Cute. Oh, beautiful. Hala, gibit-bit. Tablet akong bag lang. Nak, can you hold this, Nak? I'll put it back there. Ito yung ating pa-outfit for today. Ayan. This, I got for my birthday. Hindi ko pa nahon. Gagawa pa ako ng video, guys. What
Do you know what? Do you know what? I can whistle now.
Oh, wow.
The other one.
No, they only have one. Look, look. Look in the mirror lang. Hey, the mirror is there.
Can I look at the... Can I use...
No, 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 no. Okay, put the bag back. Oh, the bag. This is so funny. Look. Bull garlic. Tom food. Dolce and banana. Givenchy's. Balenciaga. Funny. Oh, no. This is nice to lang, oh. Headband. Look at this. Mala Mariel Padilla ka nito. $69 lang. So cool. Be? Uy, patisan lang. Patisan lang. Ano ba? Nang yung mag-imong headphone. Wow. Look at here. It's nice.
Snippet.
Look at these guys. Sobrang cute. Look. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang cute guys. $100.
Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Mommy!
Look at these shoes guys. Super nice. Bagay na bagay sa outfit ko today. Look. Diba? Check guys. It's now 7:20 ng gabi. And guess what? Nandito pa rin kami sa shopping center guys. So, naghihintay lang ako ng aking coconut shake. Bumili ako kasi nauuhaw na ako. And then, very much just went to get some meat for tonight, for dinner. So, ayan. Dami ng mga nabili guys. I-pull natin ito mamaya pagdating natin sa the bar is there. Oh, nabuboard na rin yan siya. And then, Ling-ling! 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 Inday! Inday! Dailini, look at this. What is this? Oh. Wala. So finally, nakabili si Daddy Mike for the kids. So, yung ginawa namin guys, nag-separate kami. So, pina-wrap na ni Daddy Mike. So, hindi nakita ng mga kids kung ano yung para sa kanila. Sinabi namin na hindi para sa kanila yung para sa kaibigan namin. So, wala silang ka-idea. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Ayan, it's the next day after...
I'm gonna try something.
What is it, my love?
See, now Santa's gonna come.
That's right, yeah.
Because it's Christmas tomorrow.
Yeah. It's Christmas Eve and yesterday hindi natin natapos yung vlog natin. So we are still doing our Christmas shopping. Rush pa more. Dito kami sa DFL. Huwag naman lang.
Doon dyan mapag-init, di kaya nga.
That will be all of us.
Narinig niyo yun guys. Oh, may tayo nandito guys. Mga friendship natin. Ayan, dito kami sa DFL Brisbane. It's actually our first time na pumunta dito. So, it's going to be exciting. So, yesterday, yung pinuntahan namin, first time din namin. So, we are starting to explore the shopping centers in Brisbane. For sure, it's going to be a busy day again kasi Christmas bukas. So, we'll go to Michael Hill first, guys. Kasi meron tayong reservation dito. Tingnan nyo, mga ala. But we're not getting this one. Daddy Mike's getting something from me here. At yung something lang na wala pa ako. And I'm happy to get from here. Huh? Do you want jewelry to ate? Yung uyangan siya. Nice one. Sorry.
Yes, mommy.
Yes, mommy. Nice. So have a look here. What's in here? Ah.
I like the one. It's for you, mommy.
Thank you, princess.
And thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, daddy. Mwah. Thank you, daddy. Mwah.
We got matching necklace. Just different color.
Okay, we'll keep going. So I've got my present na guys from Michael Hill. Naragdagan na guys. Ayan, nabili ni Daddy Mike. Kasi yung pupuntahan namin Christmas party bukas ay ngayon lang nagsabi na may team pala guys, red. So Daddy ay bumili ng red na shirt. Iwan namin saan kami kukuha ng red na damit for tomorrow. We'll see if we can still find it. Nandito kami ngayon sa food court. Si Daddy bumili ng mga kain at bibili kami ni Ate Paris ng Donut King. Donut for more. Ang cute naman ang bag na yun, guys. Carla. Sobrang liit. Ang ganda ng kanyang kulay. Be? Final price 200 and 305. Wow. It's cute, huh? Oh, no way. This is the cutest. Oh my god. Wala, ang ganda ng kulay. Super nice. We'll have a look in the mirror. Wow. Look. Sobrang cute niya. Diba? Bongga.
Hi everyone, it's Christmas Eve tomorrow and Santa's coming tonight. And I'm gonna hand some of this magic reindeer food. It says, make a wish and close your eyes tight. Then sprinkle your
You want one? Maybe?
at night. As Santa's reindeer fly up, this food will quickly them to your home. And everyone's gonna get a bit and then like make a wish and put it on the plate.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
I'll go first because
Okay, here's the carrots and... What is that beer for Santa?
Yes.
what?
4X for Santa. Compact.
Okay.
Got milk for the reindeers.
And the
Where are we gonna put that?
Don't put that in the milk, put that in the food.
I know.
But here?
My make a wish. Make a wish. Make
a
your
wish?
wish and then put it on the plate.
Okay.
Put that on me.
Close your eyes very tight. Just think of that you always wanted it. Did you say it?
Yeah. In my head, I made a wish.
That's Liam, why aren't you eating Santa's cake?
Stop eating Santa's cake.
Liam, I'm Santa.
Are you Santa?
Die, make a wish. Die, make a wish. You have to say it very quick. You don't tell anybody.
Done.
Lainey's turn.
Lily's turn.
Give me your hand.
Yeah.
Give me the hand. Oh my god, it got in the mouth. What's the matter? Wish?
Make a wish, Lane.
Make a wish. Did you make a wish? What was your wish?
No, wish.
Wish, wish.
Santa happy? Happy Santa? Oh my god. You didn't even make wish. Mike, can I do the whole thing?
Okay,
Yeah.
your turn.
I'll do the whole thing.
Do you want one, Lainey? Do you want a cake?
Wait, Daddy will give you one lang. That's for Santa.
Are you Santa Claus? Or the Grinch Santa? Because they're stealing.
You're gonna have a shower, huh? After this.
Buy for one?
Bigaya ko na anak.
Oh my god, it's the bag. It doesn't come out of the bag. Okay, got it. You don't tell anyone or one country.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Alrighty. So that's the food now for Santa and for the reindeers. They've got candy cane too. Oh my god. May pa-dessert. Ito, ano man to siya? Huh? Eat that. Then
Don't
we'll have
need
shower.
to tell you what I asked from Santa.
You said you should.
I mean your wish.
Oh, okay.
Not what you want. Actually, Mommy goes first because she did the thing first. She did that first, so Mommy goes first. What do you want for Christmas?
Me? What's that?
Chanel bags. I love Chanel.
I want for Christmas is just health, good health for family, happiness, and peace.
Michael, do Albert.
Lainey, what's your wish?
What would you like for Christmas, Lainey?
Happy Santa. What's a happy Santa? Happy Santa.
What would you like for Christmas?
Hat to roast jewelry and a car that you can drive. It's a toy car that you can drive.
Oh, you have Christmas, Daddy?
Right. Mommy, Daddy already asked.
I want a gold Rolex.
Alright, we'll see if Santa's listening.
Lainey,
Or maybe there are alternatives.
eat that one.
Santa.
Of course he can hear us.
Yummy.
Yes, everything.
But all I want for Christmas is you. Wait.
Did you get a bit of the... Yeah. Well done, Mommy.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Eat carrot.
What is this? What is this one?
Carrot.
Carrot.
What's the color of the carrot?
Yeah, ma'am.
The color.
Would you like your carrot first?
Huh?
Would you like your carrot? You sure?
Orange.
Orange! Yay! Beautiful girl.
It's time to make a card for Santa.
Ito na yung ganap here now. Oo. So, it is 11:45 ng gabi. And, kakalabas ko lang from the bedroom, guys. Pinatulog ko yung mga kids. And, si Daddy Mike ay pumunta ng garage kasi mag-ano daw siya. Tatakbo daw siya sa treadmill. But, pagkalabas ko dito, ito yung nakita ko. So, ayan. Kailangan namin ibalot. So, ito yung iba pang mga toys ng mga kids. And here, ito yung dress, purple dress na binili ko for baby Celine. Ayan, so hinintay lang muna namin sila na makatulog para magawa namin yung pagbabalot. So, this one's here. Ito yung nabili namin from the shop yesterday, pero sila na yung pinarap namin. So, sabi namin sa mga kids na it's for our friend. Pero, sa kanila to. Ayan. 1 each. And then, ano ba dito? Hala, hindi man nila ito ginawa. So, ito, regalo namin for, ito yung exchange gift ni Celine at saka ni Ate Paris for Anya and Irene. Ayan, 1 each. Tapos ito, that's from Daddy Mike. Ito na para sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung ano rin to, guys. Sila yung kanina nag-rap na Ate Paris and sabi ni Daddy Mike, don't look. So, ayan, nanood ako ng TV while they were doing that. Then, yeah, this one's here. Okay. Hintayin ko lang si Daddy Mike na pakyat dito sa taas. Ayan na, natapos na namin i-balot lahat. So, yan. Ngayon ay pinaalalahanan ako ni Daddy Mike. Dito pala. Itong mailbox ay may isinulat si Ate Paris for Santa. So, tingnan natin. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, kunin mo yung sulat and we'll write a letter na parang galing kay Santa for them to. So, itong sulat ni Ate Paris. North Pole. Ang pole pa niya P-O-L-L. To Santa, December 25. Dear Santa, you are the best. Love from Paris. Hug, hug, hug. Napa-heart pa siya. Iba talaga itong ating Paris. So, kunin natin to para sabihin niya na kinuha ni Santa yung kanyang sulat.